Hello everybody and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you one very easy, very fast going stitch. I think it will look perfect on a baby blanket, so I decided to use this beautiful pink yarn. I'm going to show you on a small swatch how to make it. For my swatch I'll chain 18. But depending on how wide you want your project to be, you have to chain multiple of 3. So let's start with our chains. Okay, I'm ready with my chain. As you can see, my swatch will be really small. Row 1, we have to start from the second chain from the hook with 1 single crochet, and then continue making 1 single crochet in each chain. And this is our first row. Row 2, chain 1 and turn. Again, the whole row is with 1 single crochet in each stitch, and we're going to start working in the very first stitch, the one where the chain 1 comes from, right here. And 1 single crochet in each stitch. Okay, so this is row 2. Row 3 is also the same, chain 1 and 1 single crochet in each stitch. I'm just going to go ahead and make them, and I'll wait for you at the beginning of row 4. Okay, so row 3 is also ready. Now let's move on to row 4. Chain 1 and turn, and have to make 2 double crochet. The first one is in the very first stitch, 1 and 2. And what we have to make next is 1 front post treble crochet. So when you yarn over once, you have double crochet. When you yarn over twice, you have treble crochet. So we have to make it around the third single crochet of row 1. This right here is row 1. Here's the first single crochet, the second single crochet, and the third one. So we have to go behind it like this to make the treble crochet. So yarn over twice. Here's the first, the second, the third stitch, going behind it like this. Pull the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And this is our front post treble crochet. Here in the back, skip 1 stitch, and in the next make 1 single crochet, and then 2 more. Now we have to make our next treble crochet. We have this stitch here, we're going to skip it for now. This stitch we're going just straight below to the first row. like here. And this here, right below this stitch, is the stitch we're going to work around. So yarn over twice. Here's our stitch, we're going behind it to make the front post treble crochet the same way. Like this. Skipping this stitch here on the back, in the next stitches we have to make 3 single crochet. 1, 2 and 3. And then again the same. Skipping this stitch, we're looking into this one right here, going down to the first row. Here's the stitch right below it. And here's our next front post treble crochet. Skipping this stitch on the back, working on the next 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3 single crochet. And last time for me, skipping this stitch, looking into this one, going below it, like this. So when you reach the end and you make your last front post treble crochet, you have to have 3 stitches left. Skip the first one, and in the next 2 stitches 1 single crochet, 1 here and 1 in the last stitch. For row 6, chain 1 and turn. Row 6 is a row with only single crochets in each stitch. We're going to start from the very first stitch, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet in the next one, 1 single crochet in the next one, go ahead and make them until the end of the row and I'll meet you there. For row 6, chain 1 and turn, and you have to make 2 double crochet, 2 single crochet, 1 and 2. And now it's time to make the first front post treble crochet. We have to make it, it's not visible very much, I'll show you. So we're skipping this stitch here, we're looking this stitch right here. This is row 1, row 2, row 3. We have to make it in the stitches of row 3. So around this stitch right here, it's almost covered by the treble crochet, but it's visible. Here we have to make the next treble crochet. When you look at it, it's right below this stitch. So yarn over twice, go behind the stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And this is the next treble crochet. We're skipping this stitch on the back, and in the next 3 stitches 3 single crochet, 1, 2 and 3. And then the next front post treble crochet, skipping this stitch here, not looking at it, just below the stitch here is the stitch we need, always on row 3, row 1, row 2, row 3. And here is the next treble crochet, skipping this and then 3 single. Okay, go ahead and make the row, and I'll show you how to finish it. So when you make the last front post treble crochet, on the back you have to have 3 stitches left. Skip this one and make 2 single crochet in the last 2 stitches. 1 and 2. So from now on you have to repeat rows 5 and 6 to build up the these treble crochets right here. Let me know what you think about this stitch and what you plan to make using it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!